Okay, this is Wild Bill reporting from Pensacola, Florida. Just wanted to show you a little bit of a progress update on installing my kerosene or diesel fuel heater. It's going to go underneath of the passenger side seat. We're sitting in a 78 Volkswagen bus, and I've already taken a Sawzall and a angle grinder and removed this piece of metal, and the heater will go down inside of this compartment here. The bottom part of the heater, okay, is going to go through holes that I'm drilling in the floorboard down here. The exit, if you will, for the fan that's in there that sucks air from this end is going to come out and go through a hole cut through the floor here and hose attached at it, and it'll go over to, it's hard to see because of the darkness, there we go, it'll go up to the tree to distribute the hot air that's going to be blowing out of the heater out of the vents on either side and up on the dash. And it's an 8,000 or an 8 kilowatt heater, so people were saying 2.5 is enough, 5 is too much, and 8 will roast you out of here. So I'm all for the 8. So anyway, just a real quick video on what I'm doing over here in Don DeRoe's garage with Rusty, trying to install some heat on board. The advantage of this heater is it's all of the exhaust and intake for the heating generator inside of it is on the bottom half of the bus, so there's no danger of carbon monoxide poison or fuel being spilled inside here. And as you can see, down inside of that heater is very similar to the heater box on a Volkswagen Beetle, in that it's going to be sucking air, there's a fan in there, and it's blowing it out, and it'll dissipate it out. This will be controlled by a thermostat, and also I can run it while I'm driving or when I'm camping. And I'm about to sneeze, but anyway. All right, it's Wild Bill signing off for now.